Hi, welcome back to ClearSpot Math. A 100 milliwatt farm makes 20K hour when the sun is bright. If you're underperforming by 10%, you're losing $2,000 per hour. That's 16K per day, 80K per week, and 4.2 MSOs per year. And you have no idea because your performance reports hide it. Today I'm showing the 9 invisible problems costing you 2,000 plus per hour right now. The 10% underperformance assumption isn't extreme, it's conservative. Most sites have 2-4% soiling you didn't see, 1-2% string faults you missed, 2-3% inverter efficiency degradation, 1-2% thermal anomalies, 1% dispatch optimization gap, total 7-12% performance loss, invisible, silent, costing thousands per hour. Your performance report says 85% PR, but true performance 73%. The 12% gap, that's 2.4 mum annually. On a $20 million investment, that's a 12% return you're leaving on the table. You're thinking, if we were losing 4 mums here, someone would have noticed. Not true. The loss is distributed. 2,000 hour doesn't appear as a line item. It appears as lower than expected production across the month. Contractors call it normal degradation. You accept it. The loss compounds invisibly. Here are the 9 invisible problems and their costs. Soiling concentration, 2-4% loss, 400K, 800K a year. String degradation, 1-2% loss, 200K, 400 a year. Inverter aging, 2-3% loss, 400K, 600 a year. Thermal anomalies, 1-2% loss, 200K, 400 a year. Cleaning inefficiency, 0.5-1% loss, 100K, 200 a year. Inverter clipping, 0.5% loss, 100 a year. Performance tracking errors, 0.5-1% loss, 100K, 200 year. Dispatch sub-optimization, 1-2% loss, 200K to 400 year. Measurement inaccuracy, 5-1% loss, 100K, 200 year. Combined 9-18% loss equal 1.8 M 3.6 mim annually on a 100 megawatt farm. We've identified 9 invisible problems costing you 2,000 plus per hour. They total 1.8 M at 3.6 mim annually across 100 doubles farms. Each problem is fixable individually, but together they're catastrophic. Those 9 problems exist in your farm right now. You can't see them, your reports hide them, but they're costing you $2,000 per hour. Schedule a free hidden loss calculator. Answer 5 questions about your site: size, age, location, maintenance approach. Get an instant estimate of what you're losing per hour. For 100 megawatt farms, this reveals 1.8 M 3.6 most in annual losses. Then our team can show you which of the 9 problems are biggest for your site and how to fix them. Book your calculation. First 50 operators get a detailed loss breakdown. Your solar farm makes 20K to hour. If underperforming by 10%, invisible issues, you're losing 2,000 hour. Here are the 9 invisible problems and what they're costing you right now. Like, share, and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot, smart device, smarter decisions.